What's up? Welcome back to another video, and today you may recognize this. I am back with part 3, part 2 of my web browser design series. So you guys should have something that looks like this at this point. Make sure that your project is open. What we're going to be doing this time, is making it resizable, making it respond to the enter key, and making it go to and kind of making some minor adjustments to it that'll help a lot. So first, let's get started by making it resizable. Click on the back button and scroll down till you see, where is it? Anchor, right here. Make sure that that's on top left. So all 4 of these should be on top left, that's fine. This one, you have to change the anchor to those 3. This one has to be not top left, but top right. Same with this one. Has to be top right. And this whole web browser should be all 4 of them. Okay, guys. So once you've got all that, you can click save or like Control S and it'll save both. And if you click start, it will say build started, and that should work. So right now, yep, it is resizable, and you can drag it all the way out. You could go to youtube.com and press go, and the page would take up the whole screen. So that's amazing. You can click back, home, of course, which is google.com. Next, I'm going to teach you guys how to make the text in the search box disappear once you click on it. So right away it'll say like right away it'll say something like type/paste URL. Let's make it say that real quick. So first, go into your design, which you're already in, and what you're going to want to do is double click, or first go into the properties of this, which is already there, and under, it's kind of by lines almost. So first find font, which is, where is font? Okay, so it's kind of by data, it looks like. So right here, and it's above data, and then above that should be behavior, and then above that, well, you have to find appearance actually, which I cannot seem to find, which is an issue. So web browser 1 modifiers. Oh, it's because I'm not in these properties. So Textbox 1, you go and find, it's by it's up kind of by behavior, it's above behavior and appearance. If you guys have already seen appearance, I'm super sorry. Here it is, text. So right here, it's in appearance. Text, you're going to want to type in type/paste URL, just like that, like this. Click away from it and it'll say type/paste URL. Now the only thing wrong with this is you actually have to delete all that text to type something. So to fix that, double click on this, and what you're going to do is you're going to, so make sure you've double clicked on that. Sorry guys that I'm kind of waiting here almost. But so what you're going to want to do, textbox1 underscore, not text changed, but click, just like that. And that has to be a capital C. Sorry guys that this is kind of confusing. But textbox1 click, make sure it says like all of this. Handles textbox1 dot click. And so then what you're going to want to do is in here, in this little blank section, type in textbox1 dot text equals, and then just 2 quotes without anything in them, and that's going to set the text to blank, and then save that. And so that should work for that. Next is the enter key, which may be slightly more complicated, but first you're going to want to make it so that once you actually open the web browser, it goes to your home page, so google.com. So first, the home page, you're going to type private, and this is all my own knowledge, I did this. Sub, I kind of had to learn this. Form1 underscore load, and make that a capital O. And then I'm looking at my other code here. And then in here, sender. I think that is it. Yep. Sender as object, like that. And then comma E as event args. So like that. Yep. And then click enter. Although I actually forgot something. Handles at the end. I should have seen that. Handles, sorry guys, is getting confusing. But my base dot load. Just like that. So that's going to make it so that when it loads, it's going to navigate to something. So web browser 1 dot navigate, and then parentheses, and then your home page, which will probably be www.google.com for now, but I'll show you guys how to design a home page later. So then, what you're going to want to do, make it so that you can click enter, and then it'll work like that. So this step is a bit more complicated, sorry guys, but it's like kind of complicated. So what you want to type is private. So private sub textbox 1. That should be a capital. Text box with a capital B 1 underscore key down. Yeah, I'm having to look at my code here because this is complicated. By val, so right here, and then sender. I actually kind of learned this from a bit of C++ code and was able to figure it out. As like, it took me a while, but I was able to figure it out. As system dot object, comma E as event args, just like that, and then handles textbox1 dot text changed, or handles, what am I doing? Textbox1 dot key down, just like that. And here, if E dot, and I recommend setting the playback speed if you guys need to, so that you guys can kind of see this better. Dot key code. What is wrong with this? Dot key code, just like that, with capitals, just like that, equals keys dot enter, because we want it to be the enter key that navigates to this. Then web browser 1 dot navigate to textbox1 dot text. So textbox1 dot text, just like that, and that's going to make it so that when you press the enter key, and it should navigate. So if you click start right now, it says there are build errors. So key code is not a member of event args. Let's check what I did wrong there. Okay. This is going to take a second, actually. I see what I did wrong. E as system dot windows dot forms, and you guys are going to need to be using Windows, by the way, for this. I think that's what this requires. Dot key event args. That's what I needed. So now if you guys click start, so when you actually click on this, so you can make it full screen, when you actually click on this, the text will disappear, and then you can type in youtube.com, and pressing enter will make kind of like a sound like it doesn't know what you're doing, but it'll navigate. So obviously that is going to be it for this video, but hope you guys learned something new. Next video will be settings and I think it'll just be settings, because maybe designing a home page too. Settings and designing a home page. I'll do that. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment what you need help on with tech, and I'll make sure to address that topic. And so again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.